Hi, it's Elliot here from the Neat Customer Success team, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create and save a whiteboard in a scheduled Microsoft Teams meeting on our Neatboard 50. Could also be on our Neatboard Pro. So you can see I've got a scheduled meeting ready to join here, so tap the join button, jump into the meeting. I'll just mute that camera. And as you can see on my laptop, so my laptop's in the meeting, there could be lots of other people in the meeting. But what we want to do now is start a whiteboard. So from the Neatboard 50 or the Neatboard Pro, tap on the sharing icon and start the Microsoft Whiteboard. And you'll see the whiteboard starting there on my laptop and on all other participants who are in the meeting. For external participants, there might be some sharing permissions considerations that you need to take care of within your Microsoft 365 portal to allow external participants to see your whiteboard. I'll just get rid of that templates screen there on my laptop. And okay, now we're ready to do a whiteboard. Alrighty, so we've done our whiteboarding in the scheduled meeting. And just as a note, if this was a recurring meeting, this whiteboard would be perpetual. So next week or next month, whenever you have your next instance of this meeting, the whiteboard would be available to annotate over the top of and continue collaborating on. Yeah, now we've done our whiteboard. So in the Neatboard here, Neatboard 50, we can leave the meeting. And now I'll jump onto my laptop and I'll show you how to find that whiteboard after the meeting has finished. So back on my laptop now. A handy little feature here is if, say, the whiteboard had got a little bit too big for the screen or you'd sort of lost track of it, you've got this fit to screen button and that brings the whiteboard back so you can see everything that's been done. That's good to know. But let's end this meeting. So that's the scheduled meeting that I was just a part of. So at some time after the meeting's finished, all the participants have left, but you want to go and review that whiteboard. So double click on this meeting. Scroll to the bottom and you can see under the meeting recap, you've got a whiteboard here. And what this is doing is this is opening the storage for this whiteboard, and there it is there. So from here you can share through email and you can copy a link, change permissions for that link. You also have the option to download and export an image. So let's export this whiteboard here as an image. Let's make it high res, export. And that's been downloaded and saved to my downloads folder, and here it is here.